G'day, this is the first test of the stepper motor driver. Okay, so what we have here is a stepper motor driver controller. We've got the stepper motor, and we've got a pulse generator to generate pulses for the stepper controller to turn the motor. Okay. Going to apply voltage now. So, stepper motor's going around. If these were set up that then connected to here, would enable it on the stop. Okay, it's just outputting pulses at the moment. So we are getting continual turn. Continual turn of the stepper motor. Quite happy about that. If I wire the enable up, then when I press that, it'll stop and it'll start. That's what I'm going to do next. Wire this one up. What I have is I've got the power coming into the pulse generator, and I've got the power going into the controller. And what I have running off here is I have the pulse, which is on the white wire, and I have on the blue wire we have direction, and on this other white wire here it goes into enable. Okay, so what happens is we've got this black wire here. This is ground. So the pulse needs ground, the direction signal needs ground, and the enable needs ground as well. So we're just sharing the ground. So we're going into here, then out into the other one. All right, so we'll turn it on. Okay, so what we're doing is we're driving this stepper motor. So when I press this button here, stepper motor stops. I repress it, and the stepper motor starts again. When I press this button here, this one, the stepper motor changes direction. Press it again, changes direction. All day long. And off. Okay, currently with this micro step driver, we have here the number of pulses and the number of steps. So for one complete revolution, it requires 6,400 pulses. So we go off, off, off. So here we have our micro switches, they're all off. So this pulse generator here is generating about 6,400 pulses each revolution. Okay, we can speed that up. We've got a control knob here. If I turn this, what happens is our stepper motor goes faster, which means that our controller board here is sending 6,400 pulses for every revolution of the stepper motor. So, and these are all square wave pulses. We go really, really fast. It says this is a pulse module, can provide 2.5 kilohertz to 68 kilohertz frequency. The supply signal to the stepper driver. If you want to control the stepper motor, you still must use a motor driver, which is one of these. If you want to change the frequency range, you can change C46 capacitance. So that would be this one here, little one here, yes. Okay, it doesn't really say too much more than that. So the driver can power range is from 15 to 80 volts DC or 12 volts DC, which we're using about 12 volts DC. Yes, so that runs quite fine. Fine and dandy.